How do you know which idea is the best idea? Think about it. How do you know? I know you have a lot of ideas, you have a list of them you want to implement before the year runs out, but how do you know which idea is the best idea? Some of you will come up with, a lot of people will come up with a business plan. We want to write a business plan, but a business plan is not the right thing to do, right? Because it takes a lot of work. You have to come up with assumptions, you have to make up financials. But these ideas, a lot of them are new to you. You haven't tested anything yet. You're going into the world of the unknown. So if you're going into a world of the unknown, or you're going into the unknown rather, how do you make up financial projections? You would come up with assumptions, right? But what are your assumptions based on? Really, what are they based on? Your best judgment. They are guesses. Trust me, they are guesses. So you make up guesses to create assumptions, to create financial projections. But what happens when your financial projections or your projections does not meet your business requirements or your return rate, your return on investment, your return on assets, your IRR, all the R's? What happens when it does not meet the business requirements? Here's another interesting word in the business world. We tweak them. We just keep tweaking the assumptions until we do what? We hit the return rate. That, my friends, I think is a waste of time and is complete idiocy.